Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of my Cricut replacement machine. So here's a little backstory. I've owned my Cricut Maker for a little bit over a year. A few weeks ago when I was using my machine, I noticed that it would not feed the mat properly, and upon further investigation I realized that the roller on the right side had moved itself out of place, and that was not something that I could easily push back into its original location. It was almost impossible to get the mat to feed through the rollers. Yeah, that was a pretty sad sight to see. I did reach out to Cricut's customer service, and it sounded like it was something that they were used to seeing. So right away, the customer service rep offered to send me a replacement Cricut Maker. Oh no, they sent the wrong item. As you can see here, this is a Cricut Explore Air 2 and not the Maker like I was supposed to receive. I reached out to Cricut again, and they said they will be sending me the correct item, so we will wait and see. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I would greatly appreciate it if you would help support my channel and hit that subscribe button. I am still new, and I would love for you to join me on this YouTube journey. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit that like button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I do another upload. Thank you.